everyone, this is Beth Boyson from Boysenberry Soaps, and today I am making a chocolate covered cherries soap. Now this is going to be some new techniques for me. This is also a new fragrance oil. I do know that this fragrance oil does discolor. The chocolate that's in it turns it brown. It smells like a candy flavored chocolate, like a flavored chocolate smell to me. It does not smell like actual chocolate, which sometimes that can be a good thing and sometimes that can be a bad thing. This is meant to be a Valentine's Day soap, so hopefully once it kind of mellows a little bit and it cures, it'll actually take away some of that sickly sweet smell and the chocolate will stay behind. Let's see. Since the fragrance oil discolors, I am going to only put the fragrance oil into the big pot. So this is going to be the base. I know that it discolors, but I went ahead and colored it a very nice chocolatey brown. And it's a little bit lighter than I want the final result. So when it darkens, it'll darken down to that final color that I want. Right now it's like a very, very light milk chocolate color, and it will go down to a deeper, higher cocoa percentage chocolate. All right, so this is going to be a fast pour. I am planning on doing a couple of different layers. So basically it's going to be brown with a red swirl as the base. So I am going to pour all the brown in. And then we are going to have white on top with a green accent. And then of course there's going to be glitter on it. So just getting all that chocolate. That is a very, very pretty color. It actually looks like real chocolate. Let's see, I think I pretty much completely scraped this out. So I need to get I spilled a little bit up the sides, and I do not want the top layer to have any brown at all. Okay, so when I blended up the brown, I made it a little bit thicker, and I blended a little bit long on purpose so that it would be thicker. So now I can come in and the red will be thin, and since the brown is thick, the red will have thin swirls. So let's do that. Let's get it in there. I'm gonna do it kind of like not a super high height, but I'm gonna do it kind of, oh no, it needs to be taller. It needs to be higher. Whee! So this is the red, this is the strawberry for the chocolate covered strawberries. Okay, I've got this completely in there, and then I'm gonna swirl it with a stick or a spoon or something. Do a spoon swirl. So I don't know if this is what other people really call a spoon swirl, but to me a spoon swirl is when you hold your stick or your utensil at an angle and then do the swirl in the middle. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So let me grab my stick. I'm just going to use a chopstick. Okay. So I'm gonna put it in at an angle. So this is like a 45-degree angle, I guess. And I'm just going to stir like this. And since you're doing it at an angle, it's, and I'm gonna go back the other way too. So I swirled both directions. Clean this, get this off. Now I need to clean up the edges. Alright, so now my top layer is going to be white, and I want to make sure that that layer is like really clean and it doesn't break through. So I do need to, let's see, I'm going to spray this with rubbing alcohol, and that's going to help it set a little bit faster. I'm going to use my spatula to break the fall as well. Let's clean up these sides. Sometimes the swirling can put a couple little bubbles in it, so I'm just knocking those out. And even if, like, I get a little bit of the red or the brown on top, I can always plane that side to get that off. So it's not a big deal. The oh, I was saying the fragrance oil is from Wicked Suds, and some of the micas I used are from Wicked Suds. Now the brown, I did want it to be a little bit of a milk chocolate. I don't want it to be like, you know, like a 70-80% cocoa. So instead of using just dark chocolate mica, I also use this Egyptian bronze mica. This is from Wicked Suds, and it has a lot of shimmer in it, so it's going to be super pretty once I get it on top. Okay, so I do need to make sure that my spatula has none of the brown on it, otherwise we're going to get brown swirls in our white. I'm going to use something to wipe it off, paper towel here. Get that. I want to make sure my spatula is completely clean. Like, my thing that I'm trying to do right now is, I know how to make soap. Like, I've gotten pretty good at it. So now what I need to do is reduce the dishes, because that's the part I hate the most when making soap. So the cleaner I can make this, then I won't have to use another spatula. So let's get this white layer on top. I'm very slowly and gently pouring it on. Hopefully it won't break through. We want it to be like a smooth layer. Nice, nice, nice. Let's get to all the way to the corners. All the way. Let's see. Nice. So I'm just completely trying to put this white on as evenly as possible. Nice. Oh, that looks so smooth. Okay. Let me scrapey. I just got finished watching a Royalty Soap YouTube video. Can you tell? Scrapey out my big containy. She's so cute. Let's see. She's got her YouTube down. She's got everything on a perfect schedule. She's on the ball. I, on the other hand, my real life like interferes with my stuff a lot. But she's lucky enough to be able to do her soap business and YouTube full-time. I, on the other hand, have a full-time job. I have 2 kiddos. I have a husband, baby. And I also go to school full-time. So, alright, awesome. So I got all the white out. I'm going to knock this one down. Okay, awesome. Now, this is really full. And this green is really liquid. So hopefully, there we go. I'm just kind of pouring this in a random pattern. I'm trying to keep it on the surface of the soap. There we go. That looks good. That looks good. I split off too much green. Oh well. Anyway, so the bottom of the soap is brown and red like chocolate and strawberries. The top of the soap is white for the chocolate, the white chocolate covered bits, I guess. And then the green is the stem of the strawberry. So the only part that actually has fragrance oil in it is the brown part. Okay, let's see if I can do a, ooh. Yeah, there's a little bit too much green on here. Oh well. If I had saved back a little bit of the white to put on top of this green, it would have looked better, but Let's do a random little figure-8 swirl. Very pretty. Just adding some extra swirls to areas I think that need it. This is so full it's almost overflowing. Okay, there we go. Let's throw some glitter on top and clean up the edges. Let's see, let's do iridescent glitter today. It just needs a little something. I'm not using embeds today. I did see one person who did a chocolate covered strawberry soap, and she actually put chocolate covered strawberry embeds on it. It looked amazing. And she used a white as well in her color scheme. But she used it as frosting, piped frosting on top. But I didn't want to do piping today, so it would have looked cool though. Let's see, I don't think there's going to be any extra bars of this for my Etsy store. But there will be extra bars of the black raspberry vanilla that I did earlier today. So anyway, now we just need to finish it off with some rubbing alcohol, and I will come back tomorrow for the cut. This is what it looks like up close with that pretty green. So pretty. This is Beth Boyson from Boysenberry Soaps, and this is the cut of chocolate covered strawberry soap. I think it looks very nice. It will turn a little bit of a darker brown, and we've got the brown for the chocolate, the red for the strawberry, some white for some white chocolate topping, and then there's the green, which reminds you of the stem of the strawberry. So I will see you guys next time. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.